How to fix Snapchat video sound not working. So if you want to fix the Snapchat video sound not working, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, you need to go with the profile, which is on the upper left. And after that, go with the settings, which is on the upper right. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the notifications option. And make sure that you've enabled the notifications. Simply go with enable notifications and toggle it on. And the next thing you need to make sure is you need to go with your volume buttons and make sure to enable the volume. Once you've enabled the volume, check if your sound still has an issue. But if it does, then you can simply go with the settings, open up your settings application. And under your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. Once you're under the app section, you can go with see all apps and then you can search for Snapchat. But here I have it under my recently opened apps. So tap on Snapchat. Once you're under the Snapchat, now you need to go with the permissions. So go with permissions and make sure that you've allowed the permissions like camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, phone, photos and videos, and notifications. So you just need to simply go and allow all of the notifications. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go and update the application from your Play Store or your App Store, or you can simply uninstall the application and again install it. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Snapchat video sound not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.